Here's a recipe for filet mignon with red wine reduction. Ingredients. For the filet mignon: 1. 2 filet mignon steaks about 1.5 inches thick. 2. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 3. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 4. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 5. 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary or thyme. For the red wine reduction sauce: 1. 1 cup red wine such as Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot. 2. 1/2 cup beef broth. 3. 1 shallot, finely chopped. 4. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 5. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. 6. 1 teaspoon fresh rosemary or thyme leaves, finely chopped. 7. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Instructions. Prepare the filet mignon. 1. Take the filet mignon steaks out of the refrigerator and let them sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. 2. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. Season the steaks. 1. Season both sides of the filet mignon steaks with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Sear the steaks. 1. In an oven-safe skillet, heat the olive oil over high heat until it's very hot. 1. You want the pan to be sizzling. 2. Carefully add the filet mignon steaks to the hot skillet and sear for about 2–3 minutes on each side until they develop a nice crust. 2. Add the minced garlic and fresh rosemary or thyme to the skillet during the searing process. Transfer to the oven. 1. Once seared, transfer the skillet with the steaks to the preheated oven. 1. Cook for about 5–7 minutes for medium rare, or adjust the time based on your preferred level of doneness. 7–10 minutes for medium, 10–15 minutes for medium well. 2. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. 2. For medium rare, it should be around 130,135 degrees Fahrenheit 55–57 degrees Celsius. Rest the steaks. 1. Remove the skillet from the oven and transfer the steaks to a plate. 1. Tent them with aluminium foil and allow them to rest for 5–10 minutes. 1. Resting the steaks allows the juices to redistribute and keeps them tender. Prepare the red wine reduction sauce. 1. In the same skillet you used for the steaks, place it over medium heat. 2. Add the finely chopped shallot and cook for 2–3 minutes until it becomes translucent. 3. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for an additional 30 seconds. 4. Pour in the red wine and beef broth, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan with a wooden spoon. Reduce and thicken. 1. Let the sauce simmer and reduce by about half, which will take approximately 10–15 minutes. 2. Stir in the unsalted butter and fresh rosemary or thyme leaves. 3. Season the sauce with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve. 1. Pour the red wine reduction sauce over the rested filet mignon steaks. 2. Serve the filet mignon with red wine reduction hot and enjoy your delicious meal. This recipe will result in perfectly cooked filet mignon steaks with a rich and flavorful red wine reduction sauce. Adjust the cooking time to achieve your preferred level of doneness.